Hello friends, welcome to my channel Code Complete the Spirit of Coding. Today I am going to share some tips and tricks to trace an image using PenTool and Illustrator. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and do not forget to press bell icon for latest video updates. So let's start. First, we will import an image. To import an image, we have two options. First option is to drag and drop the image, and second option is go to the menu bar, select the file option. Now click on the place option, locate your image and click on the place button. Place the image on artboard by click on the top of the artboard. As the image is bigger than artboard, so we need to resize it. To resize the image, press the shift button and with the help of mouse drag the image inside the artboard like this. After resize the image, click on embed button to embed the image. Now open the layer panel. Here we see that we already have a layer of an image. And to trace the image, we will create a new layer by click on the new layer button. But first we will lock the image in the layer panel. This will prevent us accidentally moving the image in the middle of tracing. Now we will set stroke to orange color and fill to none. Now close the layer panel. I will start to trace an image from this point. But before we start to trace the image, the first important thing that we should keep in mind is to identify the single curve. Means this is our first curve, this is the second curve, this is the third curve, this is the fourth curve, and this is the fifth curve. This is the another curve which bends inside, and this one which bends outside is the another curve. Now enough talk, let's start tracing the image. Select the pen tool from toolbar and simply make an anchor point. Do not drag it. Click again to make an arc at the end of first curve. Hold the anchor point and drag it. Now make the next anchor point at the end of second curve, and we will fine tune and adjust this arc later. Here I stop drawing the current path by pressing escape button and start drawing new path like previous. Now here comes the second important thing. As you can see, I wanted to trace the path in continuity, but handle does not have appropriate length to fit the curve. So here I press and hold the control key that changes the curve from pen tool to direct selection tool and help me to adjust one of the handle in upward direction and start tracing the curve in continuity. Here again, I press the control button and move this handle to the upward direction. and continue tracing the path. The third important thing is whenever the flat section comes, we just click once on the edge point. We will not drag the anchor point. Just single click at the end of each edge like this. Here comes the fourth important point. Now here we need to adjust this distorted path. For that we select direct selection tool. By holding the alt key, we move this one handle only without affecting the other path, means without moving the other handle of the same anchor point. Guys, we successfully trace our Pikachu. Later you guys can also join the break paths by using join or pathfinder tool and fill the color in the image. Hope this video helps you to trace the image. If you like this video, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Visit